Today I'm going to show you how to install printer drivers. Just to note, this only works on Windows 7, Windows 8, 64-bit machines. If you have a Mac or a 32-bit machine, this isn't going to work for you. You'll need to set up a support slot session with your DFI at the front desk. If you're unsure if you have a 32-bit machine, I'll show you right now. If you're using Windows 7 or have Classic Shell, go down to the left, click Start, go to this PC, right click, go down to Properties. You'll see System Type 64-bit. If you're using a Windows 8 machine, we'll go up to the right with our mouse, see our chimes, click Search. Here we'll type 64-bit. We'll see this. See if you have 32-bit or 64-bit version. Click it. We'll see System Type 64-bit. To get back to our desktop, there's a Windows key just to the left of your left side Alt. Click that Windows key plus D. It'll take us back to the desktop. At this point, you've been given a USB drive or have a USB drive with the printer drivers installed. So to get to there, from your desktop, click Control N. This PC, find your removable drive. This one happens to be mine. We'll find the printer drivers, and here are the printer drivers for the office I'm sitting in. In most cases, in almost all cases, you're going to want to use all printers. For today, I'm just going to use a couple of these just for time's sake. But for you, you're going to want to use all the printers. So find the packager you want, and double click. It's going to ask if you want to proceed with this installation. It's usually a flashing shield at the bottom. Click this, click yes, and it will continue and install. There are 2 printer drivers being installed for each printer, so this might take a moment. And when it's done, you will see that the printer's been installed. Click OK. Now that they've been installed, we're not done. We need to enter in our user code, the code we use to print or make copies on the copiers, usually the last 4 digits of our social security numbers. Let's close out this window. And to get to the next window, if you're using Windows 7 or a Classic Shell machine, click Start. Go over here to Devices and Printers and click, and this is where we want to be. If we're using a Windows 8 machine, we'll go up to the right, click Search, and type in Devices, and usually it'll bring up Devices and Printers. We click here, and we're taken to the same window. Now I'll show you how to enter in the user code. These are the 2 printers I want to enter my user codes. I'll right click. I'll open up Printer Preferences, start with black and white. I want to go to Valid Access. Here's my user code. I'm entering in a fake one. Use your real one. Click OK. We need to go back and do right click again. Printer Preferences. Let's do the color one. Valid Access. Our user code. Click OK. And I want to show you how to do it on a different type of printer. Not all of them are the same. So let's right click here. Printer Preferences. Start with black and white. This one goes to Detailed Settings, Job Setups, User Codes. Put in our user code there, hit OK, do it again, Printer Preferences, Color, Detailed Settings, Job Setup, User Code. Click OK, and then our user codes are there. If we want to test these, we're going to want to right click the printer, Printer Properties, let's do black and white. Go over to here to Print Test Page. Click. It says the test page has been sent to the printer. If everything has gone according to the plan, then there will be a test page sitting on your printer. You can do that for this one as well. Printer Properties, black and white. Print Test Page. If either of these are grayed out, that means either you're not on the network or something went wrong with the installation. But since both of these are colorful, I know that they're connected and they're working. I hope you found this helpful, and have a great day.